Hi guys, welcome, and we are playing two Theft Wars, and I think Richie, help Richie escape from the jail. I'm choosing Jack because we can't choose Richie. So let's get started with the two Theft Wars. Oh, look at this guy sleeping, and stand up, man. Yeah, I'm. I know we need to go to the police station, so I think I'll meet you at the police station. Yeah, here's the police station now. Ah, let's get in there. This is a good thing, man. The police station is looking good and big, man. Open the door. Is he here? No, that's not the jailer's room. I think that locked room will be the jailer's one. Nah, it's not. Ah, man, I got stuck. Oh, there's a staff one. Yeah, it is the jailer's room, man. And here he is, Richie. Hello, Richie. Oh, hey, Jack. Where have you been all this one, dude? Doing great, man. How are you? I have been looking so. Yeah, you should. Oh, he's telling us his story. Whoa. You're dropping a lot of money, man. A lot of money. They're running. What just happened here? Oh, somebody stole their tires of their truck. Oh, he escaped, man. Now what are they gonna do? Run? I don't think so. Ah, they see the bike. No. Don't do this. Don't. You and their escape. I guess they should escape. Oh, the police cars are behind him. Oh shit. A tramp, man. A tramp. Oh, they jumped the helicopter. Is he gonna jump? Is he gonna jump from the flying helicopter from a flying bug? Oh man. He betrays him. He betrays Richie, man. This guy. Oh, he's dropping a lot of money, man. He's not trapped, man. Feeling sorry for him, man. He was betrayed, and that's all. Yeah. Your friend Kirill. Why is he dancing, man? Why is he dancing? Okay, yeah, I'm going to meet him. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think we are going to meet his friend Kirill. Okay, I will meet you at his house, man. At Kirill's house. Yeah, we reach here at the house of Kirill. And yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm doing that. How are you? My luck, I guess. I'm lucky. So yeah, he sent me. So what do you do? Run? What the? How do you forget your car? Oh, I'll meet you at the police station right now. Here is the police station. He said in the back of the police station behind the police station. Let me see. Is there any garage type thing? No, man. It's free, man. So once again we'll meet you at the Kirill's house. It was easy, man. It was easy. Hi, Kirill. Here's your car. Yeah, I'm going to save my progress. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.